Welcome to Tech-Initiative. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful productivity tools, Microsoft Outlook. Whether you're a student, office worker, or team leader, Outlook can supercharge how you communicate and organize your day. Let's explore how. So first things first, what exactly is Microsoft Outlook? Well, it's an email and personal information manager developed by Microsoft. Basically, it's part of the Microsoft 365 family, and it's been around since 1996. Now, you might be wondering why it's even relevant in 2023, especially with tons of other email providers out there. Well, here's the thing, Outlook is more than just an inbox. It combines email, calendar, contacts, tasks, and notes in one place, making it a powerhouse for productivity. Plus, if you're already in the Microsoft ecosystem with Office 365 or have a company email address, chances are you have access to it. So whether you're a student coordinating group projects or a professional managing clients, Outlook has the tools to make your life easier. Alright, so now that you know what it is, let's get into what makes Outlook so powerful. Here's a breakdown of its key features, starting with the email, which is the heart of Outlook. This isn't just your typical email client. It's a hub for communication and organization. You can compose and send emails, reply and forward messages, and manage multiple email accounts from one place. But what really sets Outlook apart is its powerful search capabilities and organization tools. No more digging through endless email threads. Outlook's advanced filters help you find what you need quickly. And you can use folders, categories, and flags to keep your inbox tidy. Next, the calendar. Outlook's calendar isn't just for scheduling meetings. It's a tool for time management and productivity. You can create events and reminders, send meeting invites, and set up recurring appointments. Plus, you can view shared team calendars in one place, making it easy to coordinate schedules. Then there's the Contacts and People Hub. Managing contacts doesn't get easier than this. Save, search, and group contacts effortlessly, making it a breeze to keep in touch with clients, colleagues, or friends. And let's not forget about tasks and to-do list. Outlook integrates seamlessly with Microsoft To Do to help you stay on top of your responsibilities. Create tasks from emails, add due dates, priorities, and checklists, and track what's pending. It's all synced with your calendar for a complete overview of your day. But that's not all. Outlook also includes features to help you focus and stay safe. From spam and phishing protection to the focused inbox, which separates important mail from the rest, Outlook keeps your inbox clutter-free and secure. And with two-factor authentication, your account remains safe from unauthorized access. Now let's talk about the Outlook mobile app. The Outlook mobile app is available for both Android and iOS devices, and it's the perfect companion to your desktop Outlook. With the mobile app, you can stay connected and productive from anywhere. Some of its key features include Inbox Sync, ***, get real-time updates on new emails and stay on top of your inbox no matter where you are. Schedule emails to send later, ***, compose and schedule emails to send at a later date and time, ensuring timely delivery even when you're not at your desk. ***, receive smart notifications. ***, choose to receive notifications only for important emails so you don't get distracted by less critical messages. In fact, the mobile app is so powerful that many users prefer it over the desktop version. Its intuitive interface and finger-friendly design make it easy to manage your email, calendar, and tasks on the go. Moving on, let us take a look at some user configuration and custom settings that can truly make Outlook your own. First up, email signatures. A professional email signature goes a long way in making your emails look polished and complete. With Outlook, you can easily create and apply email signatures. They can include your name, job title, contact info, and even a logo. Best of all, you can set them to apply automatically to new messages and replies. Next, automatic replies. Going out of town. Automatic replies are a must. They let your contacts know that you've received their email and when they can expect a response. In Outlook, you can set up different automatic replies based on whether the email is from someone inside or outside your organization. Now let's talk about layout and themes. Outlook offers several customization options to help you find the layout that works best for you. You can choose between light and dark modes. Move the reading pane to the right or bottom of the screen, and even change the message density. With these options, you can create an Outlook workspace that fits your style and preferences. Finally, notifications and sounds. Outlook can play a variety of sounds to alert you of new messages and other events. While this can be helpful, it can also be distracting if you're not careful. That's why Outlook gives you control over its sounds and notifications. You can turn off sound for non-important messages and choose which notifications to receive. So there you have it, a quick dive into the world of Microsoft Outlook. As you can see, Outlook is much more than just an email client. It's a powerful tool for communication, organization, and productivity. So whether you're a student trying to keep track of assignments or a professional managing clients, Outlook has the tools to help you succeed. Now it's time to hear from you. What are your favorite Outlook features and tips? Share with us in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.